Be careful. No, you can't slide. Okay, it's snow day. Day 2 ata. Kahapon po nag-snow. Ayan si Hummingbird. Oh. Ham. Si Hummingbird.
Ma, come on,
Ayan. So we are going to go. I'm going to get in the barn and get the sled, okay?
Okay.
You want to stay here? Wait for me? Because you don't have the snow boot, see? Ayan guys, so umuulan pa talaga ng
Mom, I
snow.
like it.
Yun si Kutapia. Okay, let's go. This way. Ah! Pumasok sa ilong ko.
I never.
Excuse me.
Your footprint.
No, those are not this.
Oh, who is your footprint?
Hmm. So, ayan na yung sled ni Stephanie. Go! Here's your sled. What do you do with it? Sit in it. I'll push you.
Where?
Right there. Sit in there. Bring it over here then. You want to make snow angel?
No.
Right here. Right here. Go lay down, make snow angel. Right here. Lay down and make snow angel. Come on. Okay. I thought you want to make snow angel.
Because I get in my nose.
You lay this way. You face that way. You lay this way. Put your head in here. Yeah. Right there. See? Okay, make snow angel. Come on, how do you make it? Quit eating snow. Napasok sa ilong ko eh. Oh, there's a package.
Mama, tulip. Mama, tulip are covered of snow.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. Mom, come on, let's get the shovel.
For what?
Just use the snow.
You don't need it. Come on.
Yay.
Na-frozen yung flag. Oh.
Mom.
Wow, Stephanie's making arts. What's that? Arts and crafts.
Clap.
Craft. Wow.